Hey Nuggets, welcome to this week's homework where we are looking at the volume of rectangular prisms. Now in class, I gave you the rectangles nice and neat and already labeled. This time I gave it to you in a different way for you to practice. Just take it up a little bit. So for this one, we need to first decide what is the length and what is the width. So we are going 4 across and 4 back. So 4 times 4 is going to give me my volume. 4 times 4 gives me 16 cubic inches. So this one is 2 across and 2 up and down. 2 times 2 gives me 4 cubic units. This is 2 across and 4 back. 2 times 4 is 8. This one is 3 across and 4 up and down, which 4 times 3 is 12. Here is 3 across and 3 back. 3 times 3 is 9. And this one is 1 across and 4 back. 1 times 4 is 4. You could also count the total cubes if you wanted to. You decide your strategy as long as you are solving your answer. All right, again, looking at the volume for this one, we have to be a little bit more careful because I layered them. So we have 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6 for a total of 12. This one is 2 by 4, and there's 2 of them. Or we can do 1 by 3. So 1 and 3, not 1 and 3, 3 and 4. Sorry, 3 and 4 is 12. We have 2 layers of them. 12 and 12 is 24. My brain just froze. All right, this one is 3 by 3, and we have 3 layers. 3 times 3 is 9. Each layer gives us 27. So this one we have 4 by 3 is 12, and we have 1, 2, 3 layers. So 36. Over here is 3 by 2. 3 and 2 is 6. There's 2 layers. Gives us a total of 12. And this one is 3 by 3, which is 9. We have 4 layers for 36 cubic inches. Questions on these? Bring them to class. All right, same thing. Figure out the first volume and count your layers. So this one is 5 by 3, which is 15. I have 1, 2, 3 layers, so 45. This one is 2 by 5, which is 10. 2 layers is 20. Here we have 6 by 4, which is 24. But there's 4 layers, which is 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 2 is 12. 2 layers is 24. 2 by 4 is 8. 4 layers is 32. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 3 is 21. 3 layers is 63. Questions on these? Bring them to class. All right, this one you have to be careful. I made some crazy shapes. So here we have 2 by 2, which is 4. We have this back section, right? They have to meet somewhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 2, which is 12. And then these are 2 and 2. So 12 and 4 is 16, 18, 20 cubes in total. So watch your layers, okay? So this one is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10. Then up front we have 3 by 2, and there's 2 layers. So 3 by 2 is 6, 6 and 6 is 12. And then we have these ones. So we have 3 by 1 is 3, 4 by 1 is 4. So 12 and 10 is 22, plus 7 is 29. If these are tricky, bring your questions to class, okay? So the back we have 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, and 1 by 2. 4 and 4 is 8. 10, 3 and 3 is 6, so 16 total. All right, so back here I have a 3 by 4, which is 12. I have a 3 by 1, which is 3, and I have a 3 by 1, which is 3. So 3 and 3 is 6, plus 12 is 18. Here I have a 2 by 4, and I have 2 of them, so 8 and 8 is 16. 4 in the front gives me 20. Over here, I have a 4 by 5, so 20. I have a 4 by 3, so 12. I have a 3 by 2 is 6, and a 1 by 2 is 2. So 20, 32, 38, 40 in total. If you had trouble with these stacks, let me know. Bring them to class. All right, last page, another set of stacks. I have 2 by 4, which is 8, and I have a 4 by 1, which is 4, 12 total. Here I have a 4 by 2, which is 8, but there's 2 of them, which is 16. I have 2 by 2, which is 4. I have 2 of them, which is 8. 8 and 16 is 24. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 4 is 7. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cubes. Down here I have a 3 by 3, which is 9. I have a 1 by 3, which is 3, so 12. And then over here I have a 3 by 1, which is 3. I have a 4 by 1, which is 4, 4 by 1, which is 4. This is a 3 by 2, which is 6, and then a 2 by 1, which is 2. So 10, 16, 17, 18, 19. Questions on these? As always, bring them to class. Have a good weekend.